Good morning, boys and girls. How are you doing? I hope you're doing good. I miss you a lot, so I thought I'm going to do another experiment for you. It's been beautiful out, so I've been kind of busy in my yard, and I hope you have too. Maybe you're planting a garden with your parents or helping with other things outside or just playing. That would be great too. Sidewalk chalk or something like that would be a great thing to do out on your driveways. So this is an experiment that we're going to do. Before I forget, I got to tell you one thing. It's exciting news. Anybody who knows Leon from the Monday, Wednesday, Friday class, he had a little sister. So he has a brand new baby sister at home. So he's a very cute little girl. Her name is Hope. Anyways, so we're going to do an experiment. And this is water. We've got oil. And we've got food coloring. So let's see, what color is this? This is green. Let's put a few dots in there. Red. And blue. And what's the last one? That's yellow. I like food coloring. You can tell with all my experiments, hey? One more red, a couple more blue. I have to stir this up. This is oil that I'm putting it in. So I'm going to stir it up and make this food coloring into tiny, tiny, tiny little spots in here. And I just spilled. I'm just going to wipe that up. There we go. Okay, we've got tiny, tiny dots of food coloring. So I don't know if you've ever heard the expression that oil and water don't mix. But the food coloring is made with water type based. And you can see them all. So I'm going to pour them in here and see what happens. Oh, we're getting fireworks shooting out as the food coloring comes out of the oil. You can see the oil's all bubbled up at the top, and there's little fireworks coming out of the oil. Can you see it very well? I don't know if you can see it very well because it's pretty blue. But there you can see that the food coloring tries to get away from the oil on the top because it's made of water, and oil and water do not mix. You have to try this at home. This, I might have put a little bit too much oil in, so it's still coming down, but it looks very cool. It looks like almost like jellyfish or something coming down. Yeah, it's very cool. Anyhow, I hope you have a great day, and I miss you, and we'll see you soon. Bye for now.